Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important parts of filmmaking, the script. Whether you're creating short form videos, web series, films, trailers, commercials, or music videos, everything starts with a great story. Many people think storytelling is all about inspiration, but that's not really true. Most successful movies follow storytelling structures that have been proven to work. Think about sports movies. The hero starts at the top, suffers a devastating setback, trains harder than ever, and finally makes an unforgettable comeback. Monster movies often end with the creature being defeated, only to reveal one last egg that hints at a sequel. Romantic stories usually bring two people together, separate them through conflict, and reunite them in the end. Buddy cop films often feature two detectives who get into trouble, lose everything, and then solve the biggest case of their careers. Horror movies frequently let the most confident character die first, while the quiet one survives or turns out to be the real villain. These storytelling patterns have worked for decades. So when you're creating your own stories, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can build on structures that audiences already understand and enjoy. A strong story usually includes several key elements: a beginning, a middle, an ending, memorable characters, an interesting setting, an inciting incident, conflict resolution, and most importantly, a hook that grabs the audience within the first few seconds. For example, you can begin with mysterious music that immediately creates suspense, or introduce a visually striking character that makes viewers wonder, who is this person and what's about to happen? Learning story structure is especially important when working with AI. Whether you're using ChatGPT, Gemini, or any AI screenwriting tool, AI can generate scripts, but you still need to know how to judge them. Ask yourself, is this story engaging? Does it create enough emotion? Where is the conflict? What should be improved? Understanding storytelling allows you to direct AI instead of simply accepting whatever it generates. Now let's look at a few ways to improve AI-generated scripts. First, create stronger characters. Don't stop with appearance and personality. Give every character a backstory, clear motivations, emotional struggles, personal relationships, and long-term goals. The more information you provide, the more believable your characters become. Second, build immersive environments. A coffee shop isn't just a coffee shop. Think about the lighting, atmosphere, sounds, props, weather, background characters, and how your main character interacts with the space. Great environments don't simply support the story, they become part of it. Third, increase dramatic tension. Start by introducing the world, then trigger an important event, raise the stakes, add unexpected twists, finish each scene with a question or a reason for the audience to keep watching. Strong tension keeps viewers engaged from beginning to end. Fourth, add cinematic details. Instead of describing only actions, describe what the audience can actually see and feel. Warm sunlight through a window, hair moving gently in the wind, footsteps echoing down an empty hallway, rain falling outside, soft music drifting through the air. Small visual details make scenes feel alive. Next, refine your dialogue. Every character should have a unique voice. Dialogue should reflect age, personality, education, profession, and life experience. Finally, don't underestimate the ending. A great ending should reward the audience emotionally, connect back to the beginning, leave a lasting impression, or create a cliffhanger that makes people want more. If you're not satisfied with the ending, simply ask AI to generate 3 to 5 different versions, then choose the strongest one. These storytelling principles apply whether you're creating advertisements, branded content, short dramas, feature films, trailers, or music videos. Once you understand how stories work, AI becomes much more than a content generator, it becomes a true creative partner. Now let's turn that script into an AI video using workflow. Start by generating a storyboard from your script. Select Split from Script, and Workflow will automatically divide your script into timed scenes. Next, generate a black and white storyboard. Open the library and select the characters you'd like to use. Connect both the storyboard and the character references to the video generation node. In the reference panel, make sure every character is matched correctly. Click Sync Script to synchronize your storyboard with the script. Enable audio, then click Generate. The best part is that you barely need to write prompts. Simply choose your characters, sync your script, and Workflow automatically handles the storyboard and video generation, making the entire creative process faster, easier, and far more efficient.